So welcome to Brother Skipper Training Center, and in this particular video I'm going to be teaching you how people make money off Instagram. Common man, even without being a celebrity, how you can make a living off Instagram. I'm saying as of 100,000 per month. So we are going straight into the Instagram. So first of all, you go to Instagram. Of course, I believe you already should know how to open an Instagram account. So if you go to Instagram, for instance, if you go to your search and you search any celebrity, let's say Wizkid. Of course, you can see there are many Wizkid. We have Wizkid News, we have Wizkidayo with the WIZKIDDAYO, and of course, you can see the verified Wizkid on top. Let's open the Wizkid News. You can see it has 2.3 million followers. Let's also go to another celebrity. Let's go to Davido. So you can see Davido. We have lots of Davido. We have the main Davido, who is of course verified, and we have Davido _official. We have Davido Music Inc. We have so let's go to Davido official, so you see what I mean. You can see this Davido official has 243,000 followers. Now the question is, did he buy these followers? So some of them actually buy these followers, but now this is the business part of it. I'm going to be telling you from the one that I'm sure of, because of course I can teach you based on what I've done and the one I'm sure of. Now let's go to luxury, because that's where mostly you can see all these billionaire something Lux Africa, exclusive luxury wear, luxury life Africa, and co. Let's go to luxury. You can see this one has 10,800 followers. Now, how do you get these followers? All you need to do is to make sure you upload continuously using hashtags. You can see this person is using hashtag. Let me also go to this one, because this one is the one that I know for sure. You can see this one now. He has 144,000 followers. All he does is just continuously upload luxurious lifestyle, and because people love to follow luxury, people love flashy lifestyle online, so most people are going to be tempted to follow back. Now when they continue following, when it gets to 10,000 followers, now we set 10,000 followers up, we sell it like 100,000 and above. Now when, of course, you can see DM for paid ads, so you can actually, because he has followers, or he or she has followers, so you can actually decide to contact him or her. Maybe you're a car dealer, you sell car, or you sell luxurious things for the house or furniture. Of course, you need to contact this person, because people that would follow this kind of accounts are probably, you would find people that love luxury that would follow this account. You understand? So that's one aspect of the business where you can sell your account from 10,000, you can sell it 100,000 naira and above. So now I've already told you the two ways that you can make money off Instagram. One, by selling the account, by growing your account and selling it, and two, by doing adverts for people. So now this person decided to choose luxury, and of course I've already told you that is one of the pages that grows faster, because people love luxurious things. And me myself, this is my my page that I started not quite long. This is it. You see I have a couple of pages, but you can see this one, I have 856. You see I even have followers though I don't post that much nowadays because I'm occupied with some other businesses. So that is exactly how it works. You can see the things I post. So just so you now you can decide to pick a niche for yourself. You know, you can see I use a lot of hashtags to help people to get, to view it more and to follow me. So just continue posting. You can decide to post maybe 3 times a day. You can decide to post twice a day. What is more important is your consistency. And believe me, in no long time, you will begin to see your account grow organically. You don't need to buy any follower for you to do this. And the good thing there is that once you get to 1,000 followers, you actually see that in a day you might even be getting like 100 followers at once. You might be getting 50 followers at once. I'm telling you this thing based on experience. You understand? Based on, I know people that this is what they use to feed their family. You understand? And when you have a big account like the one I just showed you, the one with 140 something thousand followers, when you post something and you tag your smaller accounts, people would want to follow it. It's just normal. That's how you see most of these influencers. Once they tag you, or maybe an influencer posts you on their page and tags you, before you know, you are receiving lot of people following you. So that's how it works, because for a Don Jazzy to tag you, they feel there's something special, so they would want to follow you. You understand? Everybody wants to associate with greatness, so that is how it works. So just it mustn't be luxury. You can decide to choose food. Just go and be, and you can actually post. Just go and download my videos and just be posting. Like, what you just need is that consistency. If you go and search for food pages, you see a lot of them. Just go download a screenshot and post on your own page. Just be using the hashtag, and before you know, you see yourself making money off Instagram. So most times when you see people actually using the name Whiskey or Davido to grow accounts, don't think they are foolish. They know what they are doing. You understand? They are making money for themselves. And I believe now I must have enlightened you on how you can make money in your Instagram even without being a celebrity. So 2 ways, let me repeat it again. 2 ways. First, by selling your account, by developing your account and selling your accounts, and also by running adverts for people. You understand? Those are the 2 ways you can, if you are smart enough, you can even become a major influencer. You understand? There are a lot of people I know that really do well, like they earn a living like this, like one of their major source of income. So it's all you need is just that dedication and consistency. You understand? If you don't have enough data to be posting videos, just look for pictures, something that if you see it will appeal to you, it will look nice. Not when you go and there are some pictures, even if it's clothes, fashion, you understand, like this ones. Now you can see things that you can decide to be posting events. Maybe Wizkid goes to perform in this one, the video performs. Just make it an event, this thing, and with time you see that your channel is your page is really going to be that big. And like I said, when you get to 1,000 followers, you'll be getting followers like 50 or even 100 in a day. Of course there are some exceptions, but that exception is on the minority, and I don't believe you're on the minority unless maybe village people decided to take your matter personal. This is something that even me myself, I do. My brother does it, our friend does it, so it's like one of the sources of my income also. So I think you have learned enough, and remember, consistency is even somehow more important than the talent, because even if your talent is nonsense and you are consistent in that nonsense, you still have chance. But if your talent is there and you are not consistent, or here is your case. So I'll see you in the next video.